clean air filter will help you get the best performance out of your mower. Follow these steps to check and clean or replace your air filter. To keep your tractor running smoothly season after season, you should check your air filter every 10 hours and replace it each season to get the best performance. You may need to check and replace more often if you live in a dry or dusty area. Depending on your model, these instructions may vary slightly, so be sure to check your operator's manual for instructions specific to your tractor. Before you begin any maintenance, engage the parking brake on a level surface, remove the key from the ignition, and disconnect the spark plug wires. Clean the engine of any debris that may be clogging the air intake or cooling fins. Depending on your engine, either open or remove the air filter cover. Remove the filter element from the engine air tank. Some filters have a foam pre-filter. If the pre-filter is damaged, replace it. If there aren't any rips or tears, you can clean it in warm, soapy water. Gently squeeze out the water and allow it to dry. Don't wring out the pre-filter, as that may damage it. If the paper inner filter is heavily soiled or torn, replace it. If it is lightly soiled, gently tap it against a hard surface to loosen the dirt. Do not use compressed air to clean the filter. Place the foam pre-filter back on the filter. Then install the filter back over the air intake. Check to make sure that it's seated properly. Close or reattach the filter housing. Reconnect the spark plugs and start the engine to make sure it's working properly. For more helpful tips from Cub Cadet, be sure to subscribe to our channel.